Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start updating your Samsung now. First, make sure your phone is charging or above 50% and on stable Wi-Fi so the download won't fail. Next, open Settings and go to Software Update to check for available updates. This initiates the process. You're doing this to get security patches and performance fixes. Once the update appears, tap Download and install. While it downloads, keep the screen unlocked and avoid heavy apps so the transfer stays stable. Once the download completes, you'll see a Verify or Install prompt. Choose Install to begin applying the update. Your Samsung will reboot into an update mode and show a progress bar. This can take several minutes depending on update size. Make sure to leave the device on and connected to power. Interrupting a system install risks corruption. If the installer asks for encryption or optimization steps, allow them. You'll know it worked when the phone finishes booting to the lock screen. After the update finishes, verify success by checking settings and confirming the new build number. This ensures security patches applied. If some apps crash or lag, update them and clear the system cache. Make sure your data migrated correctly. If the phone won't boot or the update failed, boot into safe mode to diagnose apps, then try recovery mode to wipe cache partition. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after you've backed up everything. This resolves persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.